Co-principal Moses Wetangula is speaking now. Let's go there live.
By security forces. I arrived at this parliament this morning at 6:45. My office is next to the Speaker of the Senate. I was blocked at the gate for 45 minutes by armed police. Eventually, I had to walk in. Our members have gone to the chamber and have retreated here, and you are going to have some candid statements from one or two of them on what is going in there. But before we do that, we want to abhor and condemn in the strongest terms possible the assault on parliamentary democracy in our country. For the first time in the history of the Parliament of the Republic of Kenya, the Speaker of Parliament was escorted to the chamber by armed policemen numbering not less than 50. I have seen in the corridors of Parliament, on the walkway, the procession way that is a hallowed process, there are more than 100 policemen, some in dark glasses, carrying protruding weapons, standing on high alert. In the chamber, as you'll get to hear, one of our members, Richard Sumra, is right here with a bloody face. He was attacked and hit by an MP called Aburi. Nyekal, walking in, has been assaulted. Gladys Wanga has been a victim of assault. Our members have harrowing stories coming from the chamber where members are carrying guns into the chamber. Yesterday, the member for Nyeri Town, not yesterday, the day before, sprayed a chemical in the face of MP Kaluma from Homa Bay. All these things are happening in the House of the Representatives of the People of Kenya. And we want to send out a very clear message to our leaders, President Uhuru and his team, that these things they are doing are going to come around and haunt them for a long time to come. Kenyans are watching, the world is watching, and we have told them very clearly, elections is not about the government of the day, because the government of the day is a competitor in any election. Elections are about competitors and participants and players that include ourselves. The Jubilee government has the right to bring to Parliament a law on taxation, which we shall voice against, and any other. But they have no right anywhere to unilaterally bring amendments to electoral laws to sanction a mischief that they are hell-bent on doing. I saw on the order paper, they are now focusing on identification of voters. And we tell Kenyans that is where the devil lies, the biggest devil in the entire law. Because that is what is going to allow ghosts to vote, dead people to vote. And remember that Kriegler identified 1.2 million dead voters on our voters' roll in 2008. Now they probably have doubled. They have registered underage children whose biometrics will be picked and rejected if equipment that is supposed to be purchased under the law is going to be used. That is why they are hell-bent on ensuring that this must happen. And I want to tell you, we have information that yesterday at the Kamkunji they held at State House, members of Jubilee were instructed to use the most lethal and unreasonable force against our members.
Shame on them.
One leader even told them, target Gladys Wanga, vunja shingo. Target Millie Odhiambo, vunja mguu. And so on and so forth. We have clips and stories of what came from there. This is not a country. We are not going to allow Kenya to become a banana republic. We have a past, we have a present, we have a future in this country. Now we will take this to the next level and we shall meet them on the streets. General Ngaiseri, buy more tear gas, buy more dirty, poisoned water, and let's meet. You can kill some people, you will not kill all Kenyans. I will now invite